Hey everyone, it's Kevin Hodge, and let's discuss the impact of hard inquiries on your credit score. Now, I was discussing this issue with a client that we're helping out who had multiple inquiries when they visited a car dealership. Now, it made me really concerned on the conduct, and I think it's important that we could address this issue because it really could help everybody that watches this video. Now, credit inquiries can have a serious impact on not only your credit score, but on your credit worthiness. First, it can definitely take 5 to 25 points on your credit score, right? And that's a significant difference, especially if you're trying to get housing, you're trying to get an apartment, a car, vehicle financing, of course, or just an extension of credit. Inquiries have a serious impact not only on the points but on your credit worthiness as well. When a lender requests your credit score and report, they also look at the number of inquiries when they are making an assessment to extend credit to you. If you have too many inquiries close together, it shows them that you may be a risk, that you applied for credit and for some reason you didn't obtain credit and you kept looking for more and you were unsuccessful. So they also take that as a credit risk, and it can have you either paying higher interest or denied credit. So it's very serious. Now, what you want to do is you want to look at your credit report, look at your inquiries, and you're going to make an access to information request. What you're going to be requesting from the credit reporting agencies as well as a financial institution is information that was used in the report to make the request. That could be the credit application, the terms and conditions, privacy policy, as well as the form of consent. Now, credit reporting agencies are likely to tell you that they don't maintain these documents. You need to speak with the financial institution, but it is a matter of being formal in your approach, because essentially the credit reporting agencies obtain their credit and consent from the financial institutions. So you want to also ensure that you are having communication with the credit reporting agencies about the inquiries. Now, after you do this request, the credit reporting agencies as well as the financial institutions have 30 days to provide a response. Now, what I like to do would say that, well, if you can't provide a response within 30 days, please remove the information from my report, because neither you or I could verify the accuracy within the time limits imposed by the regulations, which is 30 days. This is one of the fastest ways to deal with inquiries. You're challenging if the information is unverifiable, right? And unverifiable means they don't have supporting information that appears in your credit report. So if there's an inquiry, you should be looking for the credit application as well as the actual form of consent, which will indicate if you had knowledge and consent of a hard inquiry. Now, it can't just say we're going to check your report. You want it to really be specific. Did it say that we are going to conduct a hard inquiry to assess your credit worthiness? Be sure to check for more and make sure you check out Inquiry 0, and it will help you remove those inquiries. Thank you.